Hello, everybody. My name is Adrian Hanks, and I am a member of the New Economic Evolution of the World. And I want to share with you a new resource that I've co-created that can help you to build your new business and to build your new team. So this is a new website that we've designed, and I'm going to share with you right now how you can effectively use this as a building mechanism for your team and for your business. So I'm going to jump over, I'm going to do my share screen, and I'm actually going to show you this website that we have designed here. So this is called My New Life. And as you can see on here, what I'm going to share with you is on the top here, you can see the name My New Life / Adrian. So this is my unique website. And what we've done, we've made this website in a generic way that it's the same for everybody, except the difference being that you have your unique code on here with your name to direct the traffic to here. So I'm just going to share with you a little bit about this site that we've put together. So you can see what we've got here is just like what we share with NEEW. We have our three core business pillars. We've got the education, the co-ownership, and the business. And what we have here is a little pop-up. You can see if I click that button on the education, we have this here. Then if I click the button on co-ownership, we have some information there. And also if I click here, the business opportunities, we've got some information on here as well. So I can just close these down. And then of course the join us today button I will share with you in a moment as well. So I've got some little questions on here about us. Who are we? This shares some independent operator information about me being an independent operator, and this is not aligned to the new company in any way whatsoever. We also have some information here. We have the latest news, offers and events. If I go over to here on events and click it, we can have some event information. We have our offers information, and we have the latest news information on here. So this is updated to this site every single week with the latest news, latest information. So you do not have to do a thing on this website. We've also got some frequently asked questions you can see here as well. Just who started NEEW, what's the main focus of the company, what's the cryptocurrency, is it an MLM? And then down here, this is really important down here. This is where I'd like you to go, is if you're interested in receiving this new resource, this new website, and you'd like to do the purchase of it, then you just simply click the contact button here and send an email to Webmaster Keith, and just in your topic, just say interested in the new website, and you will be sent through some information. I'm going to share with you in a moment what information it is you'll receive and how to put together information to send it back to Keith so that we're all clear on the way forward to get you going. So that's that one. Let's just close that down. Let's just click this join us today button, and you'll see on here on the screen it sends you straight to the registration of a new user, and you can see there my name is on it because my name, my link, is embedded into the website. So the unique code that you have in the back office in NEEW is embedded into this MyNEEWLife website, so that when people click on join us, it sends them straight to here. They will have your name on there, of course, because this is the registration to sign them up into your team. So all your front line gets sent up in here. So just like usual, you send them the link to register, but this way they just do it directly through this new resource, to this new website. So quite exciting. So what I'm going to do now is just going to share with you. Yep, and stop that share and go to a new share. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you into here. So what you'll do, you'll send an email off to Webmaster Keith. You'll get a return email, and it will have a link on that email that you click. And when you click it, there will be access to 3 PDFs. And the first one will be your terms and conditions. And I would really ask you please to read the general terms and conditions, cancellation of service changes, and then obviously some fine print in there as well. So you can read that. And then the second step is how to pay for this. So the charge, what we're charging for this is $20 US per month to have access and use of this site. And as I said before, there's nothing for you to do. Once you pay, all the details are uploaded every week for you. You don't have to go in and type any information in there at all. All you need to do is insert that link and you're all ready to go. You'll have your unique website. No maintenance, nothing to do, no typing in, no filling in anything, no putting in pictures. It is all done for you. And what you're going to do here is when you receive this, I'm just going to share this with you, is you're going to hit the PayPal button. Yep. Hit the PayPal button. And what I'm going to do is share with you now on what to do in that PayPal space. You'll be able to see this on your screen now. I'm just going to type in my password. PayPal should come up there, and you can see you just click continue, and it'll take it out of your the card that you choose to use, and you'll get charged $19.95 for each month that you actually have this. So nice and easy for you. Just going to take us out of there.